If you want to monitor comments and DMs from one inbox, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to do just that and make managing your social media engagement much easier. First off, let's address the problem. Having to check multiple platforms and apps to keep track of messages and comments is a huge pain. If you're juggling multiple accounts or even just a couple, staying on top of all the activity can feel like a full-time job, but it doesn't have to be that way. There's a solution that lets you monitor all your comments and DMs in one place, and it's a game changer. Now, I've tried all the most popular software for this task, and the one I'll recommend today is hands down the most efficient. This software pulls all your comments and DMs into a single inbox. So whether you're managing Instagram, Facebook, or other platforms, everything you need is in one spot. Imagine how much time you'll save. To get started, you'll first need to set up the software we'll be using today. Once you've created your account and logged in, you'll connect all your social media profiles. Depending on the software, this can be done either by entering your account details or by authorizing the app through the platform directly. Most social media platforms, like Instagram and Facebook, offer seamless integrations. Once your accounts are linked, you'll see all your incoming messages and comments in one central feed. You can respond to DMs, reply to comments, and even filter messages by specific keywords or urgency. This is especially useful for customer service or brand management, where timely responses are key. One of the best features of this software is the ability to assign messages or comments to different team members, so no one misses a thing. If you're handling everything solo, it's still incredibly efficient because you don't need to switch between apps. Everything's right in front of you. A big benefit here is also the ability to track conversations across platforms, making it easier to see who's been reached out to and who still needs a reply. This helps you avoid the chaos of keeping track of multiple tabs and apps and keeps everything organized. Another great thing is notifications. You can set them up to alert you when new comments or messages come in. This way, you'll always know what's happening in real time and be able to stay on top of conversations. I've mentioned before that I've tried several tools, and this software stands out because it's both user-friendly and reliable. It's not packed with unnecessary features that just slow things down. It's focused on helping you stay organized and make better use of your time. If you want to try it out for yourself, there's an exclusive free trial available through the link in the description. I highly recommend giving it a go if you're serious about streamlining your social media management. The free trial is exclusive to viewers of my channel, so be sure to take advantage of it. To recap, today I showed you how to monitor comments and DMs from one inbox. We set up the software, connected our social media accounts, and started managing everything in a single feed. We also covered how to use the software to filter messages, assign them, and track conversations. Your key takeaway is that managing your comments and DMs from one inbox is going to save you time, make your workflow smoother, and improve your response rates. Don't let managing your social media be a hassle. And again, remember to grab your exclusive free trial of the software from the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.